Okay, we're recording, so we got Rosina, my daughter, and Granny Joan on the Walkathon today. And just in case the COVID police are wondering, Rosina tested negative last night and locked herself away at home, and I took my test and we're walking, I think it's walk 23, and you're flying round. So are you pleased when you went to the doctors today, Mum, and got on the scales?
No, I really wasn't.
Why weren't you?
I said those scales.
Why? How much weight have you put on? Tell everyone. 1 stone.
1 stone.
Isn't that good, Rosie?
I'm so thin. About 7 stone.
Not more than that.
But you doesn't she look terrific? The 3 of us together. Smile. Hi, Mummy.
Ooh, shit! Philip! You knew I'd do that. You knew I'd do that.
There we go. You didn't really fall for it, did you? Look what Mum's doing without realising she's doing it.
I'm not going all around there.
Why not? Yeah, we always go all the way round now. You say that every time. We never take your handbag. We haven't taken your handbag on any walks, Mum. Mum, I've left it at home every time. Remember, I've got my orange bag.